Hello. In this question, you got to complete the truth table. There's two truth table of two statement P and Q. You can see both, but there is different compound statement. You can see over here. So this is P right arrow, not Q here, not P double arrow, not Q. Okay, there's different types. So if you get new version, you might have different one here. So this is for right arrow conditional. This is two-side arrow called biconditional. So you got to find the truth value of this two statement here. Okay, let's do the first one. Let me just try to this question here. So let's say you have a PQ. You have a truth value for P is true, true, false, false. Q is true, false, true, false. Now, truth value of not Q going to be if Q is true, not Q must be false. If Q is false, not Q must be true, right? If Q is true, not Q must be false. And this is false, and this must be true. Okay, that's the truth value for not Q. Now I'm looking for truth value for P right arrow, not Q. So I'm looking for P column and not Q column. So basically, what is true right arrow false? True right arrow false gonna be false. Why? Look at this. The rule, you should put this in note card. So you see that true right arrow false gonna be false. So I'm gonna put true right arrow false. This is what I'm going to using is false here. So next one is true right arrow true going to be true. Again, this is comes from this standard truth table for the conditional statement. You should have this in your note card. So next going to be false right arrow false going to be true. Again, you have this one here, false right arrow false going to be true. And finally false right arrow true going to be true because of here false right arrow true going to be true. So that's how you finish the first table. You can submit the answer to check is this correct. So next question is the similar. You find the truth value for not P here, and then truth value of not P double arrow, which is biconditional Q. So for that one, you got to look this last truth table for conditional statement. So I suggest you write all of this table in your note card in the test. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bye.